Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to look at this cue card. Describe a rule that you do not like. You should say what it is, why do you not like it, how others feel about this rule, and explain whether you have followed this rule. So before we begin, we are going to look at some of the words that we will be using in this cue card. So first word is enroll, which means register as a member of an institution. Next is ponder, which means thought. Another one is white collar jobs, which means higher skilled jobs that require more education and training than manual work. Next is adding fuel to fire. Actually, it is a phrase which means something that makes a miserable situation even worse. Another word is conducive, which means good. So without wasting time, let's begin. Rules are made for the welfare of people, but here I would like to talk about the rule which I do not like at all. It is related to admission of children in private schools in India. In India, most of the people prefer to enroll their children in private schools as the standard of education is not conducive in public schools. Also, the medium of instruction in government school is either Hindi or the regional language of that area. Since English language has become the international language, people want their children to learn this language in an easy way so that they will have bright future. Hence, it is pondered by some masses that private school is the best place to learn it. But it is a bitter truth that some private schools accept only those children whose parents do white collar jobs, and some schools even have rules to admit only those children whose guardians hold a master's degree. These kind of rules and facts about our education system and schools really disappoints me. I came to know about this when I went with my cousin for the admission of my nephew. My cousin was asked questions related to his qualification and job. I believe that if parents can afford education of their children in private schools, and children should be given admission regardless of their parents' education and work. Parents are already sacrificing a lot to provide better education to their juveniles. To make the matter worse, they have to face these illogical rules. Besides, education is the birthright of every student. According to me, education eliminates discrimination, but these kind of rules endorse discrimination. Even though private schools have some rights to make some rules for their own schools, but government should still govern the admission protocols of schools. So that's it for this session. If you find this video useful, then please share it with your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching and have a good day.